Today I'm going to talk about the Instasmile clip-on veneers. Although this video isn't sponsored, it does feature gifted items, so as such I'm going to be disclosing it as an ad. Basically, the reason I wanted to work with Instasmile is because I have always been a little bit self-conscious about my teeth. I had quite a few problems as a child with my teeth. I had loads of fillings. I had to be put under anaesthetic so that I could have quite a few of my teeth taken out. I had braces and I felt really self-conscious smiling for a long time after I had them because of how they looked when I had them, and I went to an all-girls school. So I felt really self-conscious with my braces on, and then that didn't really go away once they were taken off. My teeth were straighter after I had braces, but then I got my wisdom teeth, and so they pushed my mouth around a little bit again. So although my teeth are fairly straight, they do have a little bit of an overlap at the front, and I just still don't feel very confident basically. So I don't really smile with my mouth open, and yeah, sometimes I just feel really self-conscious. So when Instasmile asked if I'd like to try their clip-on veneers, I said yes, and I was sent across the upper and lower set. So I'm going to talk about which ones I've got, and also obviously show you the clip-on veneers, show me clipping them in, and yeah, talk you through the process. When you go onto the Instasmile website, you can click to get started, and it takes you through a few different questions to find out which of their products is best for you. They do a classic and a platinum clip-on veneers. The main difference I found between the two was the fact that the classic you can wear occasionally and the platinum you can wear all the time. With the platinum you can also eat any kind of food and drink, whereas with the classic you have to avoid hard food. See here it says choose a shade, and then when you click on them it will show you them, and you can see for different skin tones as well, which is really good because obviously sometimes the person in the picture won't necessarily match yourself. So you can see all the different colours, shades sorry, of the teeth, of the veneers on different people, and then you can choose which one's best for you. I went for the A1 shade and I asked for them to be straighter. So basically what I ordered was the Instasmile Classic Upper A1 Straighter and Instasmile Classic Lower A1 Straighter. And after I made that decision, I put in the order and I received the impression kit after a few days. So the impression kit comes with these putties that you basically mix together and then put into the impression tray, and then put that in your mouth. You put them in for a certain amount of time, and then you take them out and check that they worked by sending in a photo of the impression to just check that it's definitely worked before you send it back off again. Once you send it back off again, they will start making your veneers. They come in this little case. I've had both the top and bottom sets. So here they are, ready to be clipped in for the first time. So where I've gone for the A1 shade, that is brighter than my normal teeth. I want to do that because I've tried quite a few different teeth whitening products over the years and none of them seem to really work for me. So I figured while I was having a straighter smile with these clip-on veneers, I might as well also have a brighter smile. I attend a lot of events for my job because I have my blog and also run the Bournemouth Bloggers Network. So we do a lot of review visits and events in the local area. There's a lot of time for me to therefore be photographed, to be smiling in photos, and I will most probably be wearing the clip-on veneers mainly for these type of events to give me more confidence and to make me look nicer in photos as well. They're so easy to clip in. Obviously when you first put them in you have a bit of a lisp, but the more you wear them, the more that will go away. It should go away quite soon. But yeah, as you can see, really easy to put in. And they're a lot, they're a lot brighter and straighter than my normal teeth. I feel so much more confident with the veneers on because they give you such a straighter, brighter smile. Thank you Instasmile for giving me more confidence with my smile.